gonna tell you, I've been looking for the 2-hour workday my whole life. My whole life. If I can work 2 hours and create passive income where I'm making $100,000, $200,000, $500,000, you know, that's what I want. That's what I want. Put that in front of me. I ain't a 9-to-5 person. I'm not employable. I think job interviews are stupid. People that sit across from me interviewing me for a job, I am far more qualified than most of them. But life be life, and where you find yourself sometimes having to start over. So I'm gonna tell y'all my story one day, my new story. But I'm sick of having stories, by the way. Them starting over stories. You know how you just kind of live life and you always starting over? Sick and tired of that. So today is day one for me on a new journey of passive income. Because I only want to do this rebuild in life that I'm doing. Because life in my life. And I'm sure that life has happened to you in some kind of way as well. Life be life for you. And you find yourself starting over. Well, I'm only going to start over this one last time. But I'm going to do it right. I'm going to do it right. I'm going to create passive income. Where I do it one time. And it's going to pay me forever. That's creating legacy. That's what legacy is all about. So I'm going to ask you all to just work with me on this journey. I want you to follow me. Like and follow me on this journey as I rebuild, and you watch me rebuild and give me your insights, and you might even have some ideas that could be helpful to me as I'm rebuilding. And you might even want to join me on this journey. You might want to build with me, create your own passive income. I'm talking $200, $300, $400, $500 a day, $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 a year in passive income, maybe even $500,000 a year. Join me. This is day one, not one day.